This is truly a disaster.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and in today's video I have my sister with me.
Hey.
She's going to be doing my makeup just however she wants to do it. That's how she will do it. Kind of scared because all my stuff is going to be gone by the time she's finished. Let's just hope for the best. And if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna get my scrunchie and I'm gonna just put my hair back. So since she doesn't know anything like me, this is primer. You put this on your face before foundation.
You put it everywhere?
Yeah, you put it all over your face. It's to protect your face from bad stuff from foundation.
So next we're gonna do the foundation and whatever. Spread it out everywhere. I get that everywhere. Ooh, close your eyes, close your eyes. Now we're finished with foundation and now we're gonna do the brows. See? Well, this is for the second. I'm brushing out her brows and now I'm gonna fill them in. Fill them in so they can look nice. We got elf, can you see the word? Elf. And we got NYX. I'm gonna use NYX. Now I need the beauty blender. Now we finna get the beauty blender to like shade it again.
It's a little messy.
Yeah, messy.
Wrong way, sis. Supposed to do it upside down.
Ooh, whew. Gets more messier. She gonna be gross today. Sorry. Time for concealer. See, the brand is Pro Conceal. See, Pro Conceal. Close that eye, close. Now we're gonna wipe off the dust with this. This little golden color, something like that. See? Under here. Ooh, you look cute already. I'm gonna use this one, and because we need a darker one for the top. So that's how it looks. Now we're gonna push it out so it won't fall.
What?
I'm using Cayenne Mama as a blush. So I'm gonna spray everywhere. So we can finish and put the lip gloss on. I'm gonna use this one, the pink one. See? Keep still.
Yeah, put that on and lay down.
She looked like a truly princess. So we're finished. So bye, and subscribe to our channel. Click thumbs up if you like the video.
So this is how my makeup looks, and honestly, I look like I cried all night, and my brows look a mess. But the thing that I do like is the blush. The blush is really cute and the lip gloss is really cute. Foundation is barely on over here, but you know, it's cool. Yeah, you did good.
So click thumbs up
if you like this video, and yeah, if you want me to do a video on me doing her makeup, then click that thumbs up and comment down below letting us know that you want to see more videos from us. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on